Let's take a look at this common ACT problem. So we have a rational expression with the quadratic equation on the top and the bottom and other factors here. So we want to try to factorize these so that we can simplify the entire expression. So the first one is x squared plus 8x plus 7. Let's try to factor that in mn, m plus n method. Mn is 7. M plus n we want 8. So 7 can be split up into 7 and 1. So that gives us when multiplied 7, and when added it gives us 8. Okay, so I'm going to open up my parentheses and put my x and my x here, and the 7 and 1 that I received from the m and n plus, we're going to put it here and here. So that's our factors for that one. So let's go ahead and factor the quadratic equation expression in the denominator. X squared plus 4x minus 21, so mn we need negative 21, and m plus n we need 4. So we can do 7 and negative 3. When you add those, you get 4. So again, I open my parentheses, put x, and put my the 7 and negative 3 here. Positive 7, negative 3. Now you can always distribute these to make sure that so you get back the original if you have any doubts about your factoring. Okay, so x squared minus 3x plus 7x minus 21. All right, now we can go ahead and write our factored version of the entire expression. So we have in the numerator, we split that up into x plus 7, x plus 1. So let's go ahead and write that first. X plus 7 times x minus x plus 1, x plus 7 times x plus 1 times x minus 3. This is also there. And then in the denominator, we split it up as x plus 7, x minus 3. Let's go ahead and write that. And then there's also the x plus 1, so let's not forget that. Now let's see if we can cancel some of these off. These are all multiplications, so they can all be cancelled off. This cancels off. This x plus 1 cancels, x minus 3 cancels off. So the answer is going to be 1. Okay, and that's represented by choice F over here, and we will select that as our final option. Remember, one common mistake here is people cancel everything off and they think the answer is going to be 0, but that's not the case because these are all multiplications. They are multiplied to each other. So when you cancel off, you are leaving a 1. Okay, so they divide into each other and leave a 1. So it cancels, so it's not going to be 0. Okay, it's going to be 1. All right, let me know if you have any questions below, and I will speak with you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye. So here's the Desmos solution. So I've just basically went ahead and put my rational expression just like it was in the problem. X squared plus 8x plus 7 times x minus 3. X squared plus 4x minus 21 times x plus 1. And when we do that, you see we get the solution right here. So for all values of x, it's a horizontal line. So the value of y is going to be 1. So you see the answer is 1, just the same answer we received through algebra. Okay, so that is the Desmos solution. That's very straightforward as well, but it's very good. It's good for us to also know how to do it algebraically. All right, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll talk next video. Have a nice day. Bye.